Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to enable Secure DNS on Google Chrome. So let's first understand what Secure DNS actually is. Secure DNS is also known as DNS over HTTPS, and it's a feature in Google Chrome that encrypts DNS queries and responses. So this helps to protect your data from hackers, advertisers, and others who might try to intercept or alter it. Now let's see how it's done. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Then, click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Hit Settings. In the Settings, you need to click on the Privacy and Security tab. In this tab, click on the Security. Here, you need to scroll down and you can see the Use Secure DNS option. You need to turn this toggle on and make sure it's always on. Here's why. As it makes it harder for people with access to your internet traffic to see which sites you visit. Chrome uses a secure connection to look up to a site's IP address in the DNS. And here you can also see some different settings like select DNS provider. You can keep it to OS default when available, or also you can add your own, like from the add custom DNS service provider. And there are also other different DNS providers like OpenDNS, Clean Browsing, Cloudflare, and Google, which is the public DNS. You can also manage the V8 security and other things, but for the basic, this is all what you need to do. Browse safe, and thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe it, and comment on the video as well.